there's one person who actually helped me how to understand jazz, gospel, because gospel is a broken, like there's a bunch of jazzy chords in them, is Barry Harris, a very highly educated in terms of jazz, that will help you understand bebop and a lot of other style. Now, this exercise that I played at the beginning of the video, look at this. Listen here. Here's what we did. Okay, let me do it again. See here? Now, let's go. Let me show you what I just did. So I'm here. See, I'm here. Then I do. I'll just move together. See, you can hear the harmony already. You can hear some nice stuff going on here. See? Ooh, you definitely need to subscribe on that one, because this is very some golden stuff I'm showing you. Look at this. See? Barry Harris and his method of great harmonization as you move in diatonic chords of the key of C. All right, you can do it any other key, but for now, just I hope that you've learned something, and add that to your playing as you are playing, so you can move from just not just beginner, but to more advanced stuff. All right, see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.